to myself, boy, in the 20th time to stay. In a text you sent me again, though I remember anyway. An afternoon in December will remind you of the days when you bump into each other. Didn't say hi 'cause I look away. Maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I will move on since that's tonight. 'Cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright. But I'm gonna dry these tears tonight 'cause you're moving on and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. Oh, oh, oh. Then I saw you with her. Didn't think you'll find another, and the world seemed to crash. Didn't think this would last, and maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I was